Watch this signal to trade the Bitcoin pump. It's urgent. It's not only the title, it is actually urgent. I'm telling you guys, we are here. We are arriving to the level where we can see a massive reversal. Welcome everybody. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, we do this every single day. Subscribe, like, do all that. But I think we should just jump into the content. As always, I'm gonna talk a little bit about some macro events and some summarizing what happened yesterday. And then I'm gonna talk about charts. I'm gonna look at Bitcoin, what trades I'm looking at, what signal I'm looking at to see the reversal really happen, so we can take generational long positions. I'm gonna look at the chat, and we're gonna do some Q&A at the end. And most importantly, I'm gonna look at the coins that you want me to look at. So let's jump in. Guys, very important, please. I do this every single day for free, sacrificing my time, my effort, my everything, giving you everything I know. The only thing I ask is a like, a thumbs up. Literally, it takes you 2 seconds, but it does help the channel tremendously. So please make sure to obliterate that like button. Is it my mic? The music is too loud. Okay, we're gonna take the music down, guys. We're gonna take the music down. Don't worry, everybody. We're gonna take the music down. Is it better now? Let me know if it's better now. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we should jump in and let's talk about what happened yesterday, right? Is the music good? Okay, cool. So here's the thing. The Fed leaves rates unchanged at 5.25, 5.5. Here's the thing. I've been talking about this yesterday. There were some, very bearish possibilities as well, depending on what Powell was saying. We were concerned. This was literally the most important FOMC that we have seen ever. I still have to buy a fucking chair, guys. I can't believe this shit. We are moving studios today, actually. Not today, but this week. We are moving studios. So we're gonna have a complete new studio with a new chair, yes, and a new table and whatnot. But yeah, insider joke. Sorry, if you don't know what I'm talking about, subscribe to the channel. Okay, so there was some bearish scenarios, but eventually, actually, I watched the whole thing yesterday, and it was very good. I mean, it was very promising. Powell was very dovish. He was very positive. So for me, it was the first time I seen him actually be like quite positive, which was surprising for me. He was prompted a lot of times throughout the Q&A, like, what do you think about rate hikes and this and that and inflation data? And he addressed the inflation data, but in a very good way, in a very great manner. He didn't bash on the whole thing. He didn't say, "Oh my God, inflation is going up and we're gonna all die." And it was nice. There was a summary of his Q&A. Basically says it's unlikely that the next policy move will be a hike. So that basically means that the next move will either be a cut. The music is still too loud. The music is still too loud, guys. What is happening here? I got a new music. This gentleman got me a new music, and it seems like it's too loud. Okay. Okay, I hope it's better now. Okay, so if it's better now, let me know, guys. Is it better now? Is it better now? Okay. So it's unlikely that the next policy move will be a hike. So that means that there will be either, it will either be just a no hike, or it will be is it good? Is the music good? Is the music good, guys? Sorry. So I say music, bruv. Okay, that's good. Okay, cool. Sorry, guys. Okay. So unlikely that it will be a high. Powell does not believe we're seeing stagflation. That's very good. 2024 election is not a part of the Fed thinking. Obviously, they would never say it is, but it's just there. Unexpected weakening of labor market could spur the rate cuts. Again, like, this means that it could come sooner than later. The Fed is not satisfied with inflation at 3%. Obviously, it is unclear how long it will take for rate cuts to begin. Unclear, but I'm going to show you that there is a 20% prediction. I think it was... hold on, let me see it here. So it's a 31%. 31% is, no, that's not the one. Hold on. Breaking in rate funds are now expecting one rate cut in 2024 Fed's November meeting. Okay, so the rate cut is probably coming in November, but there is no indication when it will happen. Now, obviously, lots of bearish news as well. BlackRock's IBIT spot Bitcoin ETF has seen the first outflow. First ever outflow. Class of 2024 getting fucked up. in this little tiny correction. What is interesting here is 36 million, again, not that substantial, but it's still an outflow. And what is interesting here is that we're still looking at 23.5%. Well, let me tell you something, class of 2024. If you're class of 2024 and you're here and you're sweating your pants, let me tell you something, this is fuck all. It's nothing, guys. It's nothing. 23.5% is nothing. When we're gonna see a candle that's 23%, that's when I'm gonna say, okay, we are really in the bull market, because it is coming, guys. It is coming, so buckle up. It's a 23.5%. Officially the deepest correction or the deepest dump in this bull market, but again, nothing compared to what we will see in the proper bull market. Fear and greed index is down to 43. I actually had a very decent post on fear and greed index. And I said that it hasn't really stayed above 70 for a long time, but now it's down at 43, which is like extreme. We were up at like 70 something for a very long time, and now within a couple of, I think it was like within a week or two, we came all the way down to 43. So that's like, yeah, that's just, I think the markets are oversold big time, and the rallies do, and this is also what I'm going to talk about in the charts. Guys, I see we got 80 people watching, only 46 likes. For me to start, and I'm not even joking, we're gonna sit here and I'm gonna watch you guys, or you're gonna watch me, and I'm just gonna look at the camera. For me to start talking about charts, I need at least 60 likes. At least 60 thumbs up. It's nothing. It takes you literally 2 seconds. Just a thumbs up. Please do that. We have 47 now. I'm not gonna start talking about the charts until we get 60 likes. So, Justin, Tether reports record-breaking profits of 4.52 billion for Q1. I mean, I'm not saying they're, you know, I'm not bashing them, but I mean, 4.5 billion, what the fuck do? They literally just print money. Like, what is, like, I'm just joking, obviously, but like, it's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. 4.5 billion for Q1. Massive fucking, massive revenue. So, 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗙, right? So, 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗙 says Bitcoin is going to 3.8 million per coin within the next 5.5 years. I mean, I don't know how many of you think that, but if that's the case, guys, we printing. If Bitcoin goes, and obviously we have to consider the fact that it's not the dollar, it's not the Bitcoin appreciating in value, but it's, I mean, we have to make it sure that it's actually the Bitcoin appreciating in value and not the dollar collapsing because of BRICS and whatever. So it can go to, I actually do see it going to 3.8 million, but if it does happen, that means the US dollar is done. That means it's like, it's done, because it's not gonna happen because of Bitcoin, it's gonna happen because of the US dollar. So it might be 3.8 million per coin in US dollars value, but it's probably not gonna be, you know, it's gonna be devastating if that happens. And she was calling 1.5 million. I'm not sure if she's joking, but I'm pretty confident, you know, that she really does think that. So by 2030, we are looking at $3.8 million Bitcoin. If you're watching this in 2030 and just looking back and thinking, why the fuck these guys didn't believe us, you know, then you know what to do. So we're almost at 60 likes. So I have the biggest news for the day. Like, guys, this is, if you watch the show, this is the only thing you have to watch the show for, really. BitBoy, you know, BitBoy. From CT to the ring, from crypto to Twitter to the ring. Ben Armstrong is making his boxing debut, CFN London, against the one and only Chris. I mean, this is just something, you know, the team put together here, and it's just, I don't know, guys. I don't know. It's, I feel sorry for BitBoy, or Ben, or BitBoy, or Ben. I don't know which one is it now, but I feel sorry for him. I really do. I really have, you know, but yeah, he's doing fine. This is happening. It's gonna be cool something. I looked at this guy, and he actually had this profile picture like this. So it's, you know, and probably it's like a duck, I think. It's like, I don't know. Okay, so that's what it is. I need 60 likes. I did get the 60 likes, so salute you guys. Thank you so much. We can go into the charts. Number one, very important, what I wanted to tell you before we deep dive into the content is subscribe to the channel. I'm serious. We bring you literally the best alpha in trading in the fucking world. I'm telling you, this channel is going to 100,000 subscribers. I've been talking about this. It's not a question of if, but a question of when, and even then, within the next 12 months, you are in for a ride. We're launching free courses on YouTube, a mastermind very, very soon, a lot of stuff in the pipeline. You are missing out if you are not subscribed and if you are not following me on Twitter. So you have to do that as well, which is pretty weird because I started streaming about 6 months ago for 5 people, and I didn't really have to say to come and follow me on Twitter. But now I see we have 1,500 views on all episodes. I really want you to go on my Twitter. There is a link in the description and follow me here. This is why I post everything, very relevant stuff. For example, 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗙 vision. I'm going to talk about that in a second as well. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is actually going against my thesis now. It's going against my thesis. But let me explain what I was thinking. So I've been calling for the equilibrium on the daily. Again, if you follow the channel, if you follow the content, you know what I'm talking about. So markets always retrace 50%, always. So if you look at the daily equilibrium would be down here at $56,000, right? Literally on the 56,000 mark. Now, why this is interesting and important? It's interesting and important because markets always retrace to 50% sooner or later, right? So if I look at the daily and if I look, hold the fuck up. I didn't salute you in the comments. What just happened? I need to salute you guys. So let's go. Good morning, 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗙𝗕. 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗙𝗕, I see you. That's awesome. Let's at FGO. Shout out to the LFGO community. Stop commenting on my Twitter. I love you guys. It's really good. I don't hold the token, but you're funny. I give you that. But I have to scroll through fucking 25 LFGO posts to get to the relevant stuff. So please stop spamming my Twitter. But I love you guys. Good morning. I've been shilling 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗙 vids at all in the culture war, anti-woke YouTube channels and influencers. Gonna send this shit to the moon, baby. This time I'm like number 2. Sandy, I'm happy you're here. Yo, Drew in the house. Nitro Bunny is looking good today. What's up, guys? Here we go again. Good morning, Dre. Good morning, Azmir. Hey, 100x Club. What's up, 100x Club? How's it going? GM fam, 𝗔𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗢. Liquidity rate below 56.5. Then strong MSS, then up. 𝗔𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗢 gets it. He knows what the fuck is up. He's looking at the channel, he's watching the channel, he's learning, he knows what's up, and he follows me on Twitter. Already liked even before the show, so we know it's gonna be awesome. 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗙, we are here. Intelligent Art, I'm happy that you are here. Good morning. Best show on YouTube. Thank you, Stefan. Fuck the thumbs down guy. Hit the likes, smash those likes. Luke and Jean knows what's up. Crypto is the future, takes a coffee. 𝗕𝗙𝗙𝗙 in the house, yes sir. Pras, I see you. Music still too loud. I'm so sorry. We're gonna say music. Hold gummy. Music too loud. Like the smash button. There we go, Dre. There we go. I was missing that. Music 𝗕𝗙𝗙𝗙. We have it lower. I think it's better now. Like smashed. Like the goddamn video, people. Hi, 𝗕𝗙𝗙𝗙. How's it going? All good. Sniper Paul, what's happening? Anand, good morning. Luke Skoko. Late but here. Luke, you know I always like to see you around. Luke Sniper fam, nice. Hello. Someone's saying 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗙. We're gonna talk about 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗙 as well. All right, guys, here's the thing. Here's what we're gonna do. 𝗕𝗙𝗙𝗙, make us rich. Only you can make yourself rich. Only you can make yourself rich. I can give you the directions. I can give you the tools, but only you can make yourself rich. And this is the lesson. I mean, I didn't want to talk about this now, but here's the takeaway, guys. 6 months ago, I've been streaming for 5 fucking people. 5 people. I had 33 subscribers on the channel. Now we have over almost 5,000 subscribers and we have 1,500 views on every single show. You guys are here, almost 200-300 people live every single freaking show. And I will give you everything I can to help you make 100x this bull market. I'll give you everything I know. I'm not gonna pay gate it. I'm gonna have a free course on YouTube. I'm gonna have a mastermind. I'm gonna have all that coming. I'm gonna give you every tool you need for free on this channel to make it in this bull market. The only thing you gotta do, subscribe, smash the like button, and share it. And most importantly, believe in yourself and put in the work. Okay, so let's go. Guys, here's what I'm thinking. I'm waiting for the 50%, the daily equilibrium on Bitcoin, right? Markets retrace 50%. If I pull this from the daily, on the daily leg, 2 seconds. So if I pull it from on the weekly, if I look at the weekly chart, I can say, okay, there was no 50% retrace from down here either, right? So I would be waiting for this 50% retrace, technically, right? But it happened in the previous bulls as well. Again, if you follow the channel, you know what I'm talking about. But if you watch the previous channel, you know, if you watch the previous shows, you know that this happened in the previous bull markets as well, that we didn't retrace 50% on the first leg, so that can absolutely happen. If I pull it on the daily, and this is the next leg, the equilibrium is at 56%. We have to come back there. We have to come back there. There's only one exception that I'm going to talk about, and that's about the total market cap. But technically, we should come back there. Now, that's laying at 56. If I go down on the 4-hour, what I need to see on the 4-hour chart is a higher high or a market structure shift on the 15-minute, and then on the hour, and then on the 4-hour. How would that look like? Well, here's the thing. I see that there is liquidity building up. This is why I'm pretty confident that this is what's going to happen, and this is the signal that is in the title as well, and is urgent. So, number one, for us to see a reversal here, we need to break above 60. Let me look at the hourly. Yeah, so we need to. So technically we need to break above here, right? So technically we would need to break above. Let me mark this level here. This is the decision point, which would be above 61,027. 61,027. We need to see a break above there for us to confirm that a reversal is happening. And even then, I'll be frank with you, even then it can still be just a retrace for the 50. Just a retrace for the 50. So we need to see lower time frames. We will take it day by day. I will have a show on Saturday. It will be a live trading. I'm gonna do giveaways and whatnot. So again, turn the notification bell on YouTube. But I'm gonna have a show on Saturday, which is like the day after tomorrow. So I'll update you on there as well. But we need to see a break above here, right? So for us to confirm that, though, first of all, it's going to be a weak market structure shift if we go above there. Second, we didn't achieve equilibrium. We didn't come back to the 56,000. Now, because we didn't do that, I believe the following thing will happen. Number one, I believe what we'll see, maybe we come up to this level. Maybe, I don't know, maybe we come up to all the way here and then just see how that goes. And, you know, maybe we reject from here, but I don't think we're going to come up here. What I'm thinking is that we see liquidity building up here. Liquidity is market orders. If you take a long position, you place your stop losses all the way here and here and here and here and here. And market makers do know that. If you look at this, you see a clear relative equal lows down here, which is liquidity. And then I see a clear trend line liquidity forming here, which is a problem. A problem for those who early long, right? Because they're probably gonna get flushed. So here's how I'm thinking. Either we break above and then we see how that goes. We have to break above 61,027. We break above there and then we retrace to 50 or something like that, and then we will take it by then. If you see a close above 61,027, I don't think it's a bad idea to long, but always monitor the 1-hour chart and place your stop loss below the 1-hour low, because it can be a fake out coming back to the 50% and then continuation lower. Here's what I'm thinking. What I'm thinking will happen is that we do something like this somewhere, and then we flush. We have a flush, potentially in New York. It might just range here for until next week. I don't know when, but what I know is that we will have a flush to 56,000. We touch onto some kind of demand. Let's see what we have here at the equilibrium. So I think maybe potentially down to 54. I don't think that's happening. But potentially. But there's also trend line liquidity here, so maybe we come down. Yeah, technically probably like 55, 560, or all the way down to 54. Let me just mark this here. I think this could be an interesting level. Could be an interesting level down here, although it has been mitigated. So I don't know. Yeah. And then down here, which is like 54, or potentially up here, right? So these are the three levels: 55,873, 55,319, and 54,800. That's what I'm looking at, guys. We have 140 people watching. You know what I'm gonna do now? I'm just gonna sit here. I'm gonna sit here and wait for you to like the video, because we only have like 60 likes or something. We have like 88. I'm literally just gonna sit here. We're gonna look at each other. I'm gonna wait for you to like this content. It takes you a second. It helps the channel immensely. And if it helps the channel, it helps you. So please, take 2 seconds and smash that like button. Okay, all jokes aside, guys. But please, really do that. It really takes you like nothing. It takes you nothing, but it really does help the channel. So let me go back to the charts here. So these are the levels that I'm looking at for a potential reversal. Let's go a little bit. Here is the level that I'm looking at. So probably like a flush here down to 56 or 55.873, 55.319, or 54.8. That's what I'm looking at for reversal. Like literally, I don't think we are going lower. The other possibility is that we flush to 52K, which would be, so 52.48 will be the equilibrium on the weekly. So if we do that, we would come all the way for the weekly equilibrium, which I explained that has been missed. Down here, so we would come all the way down to like 50 to 52, something like that. I don't think that's happening, but if we would come down that low, then we would come for the weekly equilibrium. So summarizing, what I think is most likely to happen on Bitcoin today or not today. So what I think is most likely, so summarizing everything, what I think is most likely to happen in Bitcoin, maybe today, maybe this weekend, maybe the following week, is that we probably do some kind of range in here, right? It can be fast as well, it can be today. We do some kind of range in here, and then we take this liquidity with a crash down to like 56,000, 55.873, 55.319, or 54.800, all the levels that I'm looking at for reversal. Any of these levels, we see a market structure shift, which is a higher high on the 15-minute. Better would be to see it on the hourly, but because of the liquidity built up, I don't think that will happen. But if you see a higher high on the 15-minute, you can get in on a long position, or I will get in on a long position. By the way, thank you so much for reminding me, because the content of this video is for informational purposes only, and not financial advice. All right, I love this live, guys. Let me know if you like this live. Let me know. Let me look at the chat as well. Let me look at the chat. Come on. So this is the most likely scenario, and then I will give you why we just moon from here. I'll tell you in a second why we just moon from here. You know what I want to know? What I want to see now is I want to see the chat going fucking crazy. Can we do that? I've never had, like, I only had it when we did a giveaway. Should we do a giveaway? I don't know. Let's send the chat crazy. Come on, 100xers. The video. How does yeah, they just print money. Late but here. Cool. As of this morning, all my USDT is no longer USDT. I'm all in. That's what's up. ETH breaking 3,000. Yes, Fefe, my man. Dave, good to see you here. Sup, dude? Sensant33. Great to see you here. Otter Gang. What the fuck is that? Is that? Oh no. Is that a meme as well? Correction. Fefe, teach us how to get rich. Exactly. Mark is saying, Fefe, your music is shit. I'm sorry, it's a new music. I'll smack the guy. You're awesome, Sauce. Thanks. Teaches the way. I love hearing your humble beginnings. Inspires. Yay. Love to learn from you. I'm happy that you're here. This is not financial advice. Exactly. 61 is a 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗙 zone. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so guys. Gami, we can talk about ticker is ticker. We will talk about it. Foxy is Foxy. I don't know what that is. That's the best life. There we go. Best offers. Always thank you, brother. Yeah, Fefe, please make a giveaway. I need a laptop. I'm not laughing at you needing a laptop. Are you the same guy? Are you not the same guy who came and asked for a car? There was someone literally just DM'd me on Twitter. I even shared it and said, I'm 22. I need a car. Please give me 50,000. Hello, Victor from Twitter. Nice to see you around here. Please make a giveaway. I need a laptop. Oh my God. I'm Code for Sniper. I remember you from Discord. Yes, there has been a time when I thought that was the right place to be, but now I know this is the right place to be. So, all right, here we go. Here's the reason why I think we can potentially move. Yeah, one more thing that I think, you know, basically just complements what I've been explaining with the whole BTC going a little bit lower, taking liquidity and reversing is a couple of things. Number one, we do see USDT dominance on this leg retracing to 50%. So we did have a retrace on this leg, and again, as I said, it's the vice versa, right? So if we didn't see a retracement on Bitcoin for the first half of this pump, we might not see a retracement on USDT dominance as well. Let's look what happened in 2020, 2021 when we had this major pump. 2020, 2020, there were retracements, guys. There were retracements all the way. There were retracements. Yeah, there were retracements. So no, here, look, here there wasn't a retracement. Exactly, here, this is exactly the same scenario, and then we had one more flush. So we had a retrace. Yeah, something like this is playing out, look. Something like this can be playing out now. Let me look at it. Exactly, look at this. So it's like we just have a deeper correction back. But that's kind of exactly, look at this. Look at how accurate this is. This is 2021. It's bleeding down. We have a retrace and then a continuation down. So that means that from here we have another probably 30% down on USDT dominance. That would be fucking insane. We'd go down to like 3%-ish. 3%-ish on the dominance. That would be absolutely incredible. But that, you know, so that can happen. That can happen even though we didn't come all the way up. That can happen. It would be a 13% pump on USDT dominance. If that happens, Bitcoin goes to like, you know, 40, 42, 45, or even 38,000. I don't think that's happening. So it is. So the reason why I think we are going to see a little bit of dump and then a reversal is also because of USDT dominance, topping out. We do see a massive liquidity laying above, which is obviously a problem, but I don't think it's that strong as the sentiment on the market as well. Let's look at total market cap. Here is the reason why I think. Another reason why I think we can just start mooning from here, even though we did not have a retracement, a 50% retracement on Bitcoin. Just like, by the way, I actually might be looking this. Holy shit! Hold on a second. This is the Blowfin chart. Holy shit! Hold on a second, because Blowfin has a different prices than the spot chart on Binance. Look at this. Let me just make sure. No, okay, it's the same thing. Okay. Oh, is it? So what I'm doing right now is that if you trade on a different exchange, you have different prices, right? So obviously you have to make sure Binance is the biggest by far. Oh no, it's the same thing. Okay, so I actually use Blowfin. If you like Blowfin, if you want a non-KYC exchange, non-KYC, non-custodial, they don't keep your funds, so you can get hacked, and if it goes under, you still get your funds. There is a link in the description. Check it out. It's Blowfin. I really, really genuinely do like them. I know the team. They implement a lot of stuff I say. Shout out to Blowfin. But we didn't come back 50 on here as well, so that's promising for me. So plan is the same that I explained. But if you look at the total market cap, and here's where it gets interesting, because if you look at the total market cap, what you will see is that I pull the fib on the same way. On the first leg, we don't have a retrace. However, if I pull it on this daily leg, we do have the retracement. Look at this, and this is very relevant. Why? And I'm gonna give you another piece of alpha here, is because every time when you look at the crypto market, or when you look at any markets in general, you have to have a hierarchy in your head. Everything depends on everything, right? There's always a bigger fish, and there's always something that impacts the price that I'm looking at. And in crypto, here is the following. First of all, you want to look at the DXY. The DXY dictates everything in the world, basically, right? So you have to understand the dollar index. If the dollar index is extremely bullish because interest rates and whatever that is, you have to understand that risk assets will suffer. Once you understand that, you have to look at crypto as an asset class as a whole. So what you want to do is that you want to look at the total market cap. The total market cap shows the total value logged in crypto. So it's including stable coins and everything, so it's not entirely in like Bitcoin and stuff, but it does show you, the total market cap does show you the total value in crypto. This is 2.7 trillion right now. If you want to trade, and then you have to look at Bitcoin. So the DXY impacts the total market cap, because if the DXY rockets, risk assets suffer. And the total market cap impacts Bitcoin, because the total market cap represents the whole market, and obviously the whole market and the value, whether money coming in or going out or moving around, will impact the price of Bitcoin. And then you have to look at the Bitcoin dominance to understand what other coins will do. So if the Bitcoin dominance is bullish and the total market cap is bullish, that means that Bitcoin is most likely outperform odds. But once the Bitcoin dominance starts dropping, but the market cap is still going up, you can be confident that the altcoin more broadly started, or alt season started. Now, if you look at the total market cap now here, for example, you will see that we did have a retrace to the 50% level on the total market cap, and that's extremely bullish. Why? Because we might even trap smart money here, and when I say we trap smart money, it means that smart money might be waiting, or algorithms we're talking about, might be waiting for the 50% retrace to get back to discount, but it never gets there because the total market cap already achieved equilibrium at the 50% level, right? So what do I need to see on the total market cap? Tower is going at 392. Let's look at that as well. But what I need to see on the total market cap here is a clear break above 2.188. And from the clear break above, I need to see a hold, because this is, let me see. Oh, this actually is a strong level on the on the 1 hour. The only problem is that it didn't have a 50% retrace. So a clear break. Let me see here. A clear break above 2.19 trillion would start igniting the FOMO in me. That's what I'm saying. So, guys, I'm gonna stop again. We have 116 likes and 170 people watching. First of all, I salute all 170 of you watching this. Big time. Big time. Thank you so much. Second, why the fuck are you not smashing the like button? I'm looking at you. I'm dead serious. Why are you not smashing the like button? Look what. I wanted to do something funny. Look. I wanted to do something funny. Hold on a second. Okay, let's try again. So I'll say, so I see 170 people watching this show, but only 118 likes. Why don't you smash the like button? Yes, you. Why don't you smash the like button? I know it was funny. I know, I'm super funny. I know, it's just, if you don't smash it for the offer, then smash it for the likes, you know? That's it. Smash it for the likes. Yeah, smash it for, you know what I mean. Okay, I'm kind of becoming an e-beggar, begging for likes here. Soon I think 2 seconds, and I'm gonna be the girl licking ice cream and saying, ice cream, thank you. And I'm gonna pop popcorns with an iron thing. Fuck that. Okay, so the total market cap is, you know, we need to see a close above 2.19 trillion. That's what it is. Talked about this. We need to see a close above there. If that happens, we need to see a low, a low not being broken. So for example, if we see on the 1 hour, we see a break and we form a proper low here, that should not be broken, because if that's broken before we break the high here, which is like 2.3 trillion, that can confirm that we are going to go lower and potentially take the lows as well. 48,000 is still in the cards, guys. I'm saying because of the weekly equilibrium, we still have the lows in the cards. So keep that in mind. All right, USDT, what is it? BTC Dominance. I'm super happy to see this happen, guys. I'm super happy to see this. I was talking about BTC Dominance for quite some time now. We need to see a break below here, and we do see the break on today. We need to see where the close happens. We do see the break. I don't like this POI on the daily. I don't. Is that a bearish? Is that a day? Is this a day? Oh, that's a day. And this is actually a bearish candle. Okay, so that's very good. So this, oh my God, guys, we are in for a fucking ride. Buckle up, because I promise you, I'm not on gummy. I don't know, it's just fun. So if you like pina coladas, nice. This shit got out of hand, guys. This shit got out of hand. Anyway, so if you see like a break below BTC Dominance, and it's like you actually close below there on the daily, we are good. We are good. So we are very good for the altcoin rally. Let me soon. I want to look at the chat. If you know, it's maybe everybody left now. I'm just making fun for myself, and let me look at the chat here. Until then, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All right. Woke up to over 13 million bento bubbles gummy points. Just gone. I'm so sorry. Josh is fixing it. I'm in sunny Florida. Never been to Florida. Never been there. And I refreshed my computer browser in even few hours. I'm so sorry. It will probably get fixed. I don't know. I'm gonna buy a Lambo and name it Fefe. Bro, if Tucker goes to 1 billion, we buy the Lambo dealership. What do you think about not having the volume on the weekends for reversal? Yeah, weekends are usually the trap, so we gotta watch out for that. Doji is pumping. We can look at that. That wasn't me asking you for a cat. Help me get it out. I'll name my first child Fefe. Please don't. Please don't. I'm serious. That's serious. Please don't. If BTC cools down, you know, just to reflect, you know why I don't want you to name your child Fefe? Because there is no second best. There is no second best. Okay, if BTC cools down here and BTC Dominance drops, that is when we will have, yes, exactly. We have the first signs of DXY reversal. Yeah, but I mean, especially now looking at what the Fed is doing, I don't think DXY is going to reverse now. And if it does, it's not going to be that relevant. My money is not smart money this week. Yeah, okay. We salute you too. We all salute you, bro. Ha ha ha. Someone's saying scary Fefe look. Yes, that's what's up. The greatest channel out there. Push the damn thumbs up button. That's what I'm saying. But these mofos don't listen. Write it out, bro. Unlike we go for the okay. Oh, so many comments. Mic drop. Is Fefe short for something? It is. It's a secret. I'll tell you at I don't know, the top of the bull market. No second best. Love it. Okay, good. All right, so let's go. Enough of all that. Let's get going. Let me know in the comment. Yo, okay. So first of all, before I move on, let me get serious here. I made a complete thread on 𝗕𝗘𝗙. Yes, 𝗕𝗘𝗙. And the way I made that complete thread was I will start using this, guys. I feel it in me. I feel that I have the power to start using this thing, because if I say something serious, for example, I say, do not ever go long without having a stop loss, ever. Then it's just making, you know, it's just kind of funny. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to talk to you a little bit about 𝗕𝗘𝗙. So I posted about 𝗕𝗘𝗙 at 1 million FDV. 1 million FDV. That's when I bought it. I think it was the first time I posted about it. I'll just pull it up, I'll show you. But I posted very, very fucking early. And I told you that buy this, in my opinion, it's a great buy. Now 𝗕𝗘𝗙 is up at like what? Let me look at it. 𝗕𝗘𝗙 is up at like 70 million. But we've been down to like 36 million. We're gonna do a poll now. I want all of my followers, you here, please vote. I'm gonna put a vote. Let's put up a vote. The poll should say like, when did you buy 𝗕𝗘𝗙? Should be like, send it. It could be like 1 million, 5 million, 20 million, or 50 million, or under 100 million. Yeah. So put out the vote. I really want to see the results. I'm gonna look at it here as well, just so we can all see together. I want to know. Vote. Okay, so we've got at or under 1 million. 16 votes. I really want you to pull this in. Like really want to know where you guys bought that. And then until you know, while you're voting, I want to highlight my current tweet. You have to read this. I'm seriously telling you to fucking read this. So yesterday, Ran joined the 𝗕𝗘𝗙 Spaces. There is a 𝗕𝗘𝗙 Spaces every Wednesday. It's actually pretty fun. And Ren joined in and literally outlined the vision. First of all, Ren is a fucking genius. You know, like whatever he touches turns to gold. He's really fucking good. He's really good. He's a hard worker. You know, I've been really thinking about doing everything alone and not joining Banter, and now I just feel like a privilege just to be close to Ren. I genuinely feel that. Anyway, so what I wanted to say is that he joined the 𝗕𝗘𝗙 Spaces yesterday. And he outlined the vision, and I wrote this whole thread. You can listen. You should listen to it. In my opinion, you should go and listen to the spaces. It's here, and also you can find it on 𝗕𝗘𝗙's page. But I want to guide you through this because you see the vision. So number one, Ryan joins the space. I'm very excited about this. This is the second important for me. We're excited about we're breaking ground here. What we're building has never been done before. As soon as we can get more content out, which is the plan, we are already hiring animators in Europe, in the States, and all time zones. We're on to building a real media station. The first media company with network effect. 𝗕𝗘𝗙 is not a simple meme. It is the first media company that has the potential to leverage network effect and achieve insane valuations. As Rand says, the highest valuation companies all have one thing in common, and that is they have network effect. So network effect basically means that they onboard users. Every onboarded user brings exponential value to the network. So think about Uber. I wrote Uber as an example here. So for example, when you drive Uber, right? If there are no drivers and no riders, there is no business. But when there are, let's say, 50 drivers, and there are 200. I have driven Uber before. It's actually just it's a story in the story. But I have driven Uber. I'm gonna have a whole channel on this, a whole episode on this. But I'm gonna tell you my story. But I was driving Uber, and I remember I got my Polish friends, 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗙, big shout out to you guys, again. And we smoked a ton of weed. I mean, not me, but like they did. And we just went over one day, and they're like, you have this new application, this Uber thing coming. I was in Copenhagen, and it's coming, and you should like drive Uber with us, and we're making bank because there are not enough drivers. And I'm like, what are you talking about? There were like 30,000 people who wanted to ride Uber, and there were, I think, 300 drivers. Supply and demand, right? So I was making a shit ton of money, a lot of money, driving Uber in the weekends. But I only did it for 6 weeks, because then everybody realized the potential and the market got diluted. The same thing here. So if more people want to ride, then what happens is that more people want to drive, because if more people want to ride, then there is always work, and then drivers come on the network. And more people drive, the easier will it be to get a cab, right? So there won't be that many waiting times. It will be cheaper and whatnot. By it being cheaper and easier to do transportation with Uber, there will be more riders, and more riders, more drivers, more drivers, more riders, and it's kind of like becomes this snowball effect, right? And that's what you have to understand here. So with every added someone to the network, it becomes more valuable. And then I say capitalization and user benefits of network effect. And I say, in general, companies grow to a massive valuation through network effect, but users do not benefit financially. So by you riding Uber, you don't really benefit off the growth of the network. You just simply don't, right? But with 𝗕𝗘𝗙, it will be a possibility for you to benefit off the growth of the network. And this is the big thing here. So, and I really want you to understand, and so I really want to outline the vision. Sponsorships, token buybacks, and burns. Every media station's revenue comes from sponsorship. That's not a secret, right? You see an advert, you see whatever, it comes from. We don't make any money on this channel at all, because we don't have any sponsors yet. If you want to sponsor us, let us know, but we don't have any sponsors. And yeah, but every media station makes revenue from sponsorships. Well, Ren says, I told the head of sponsorships at Crypto Banter that we will soon have sponsorship slots on 𝗕𝗘𝗢. Within 24 hours, he confirmed, signed, and received $100,000 worth of sponsorship from 𝗕𝗘𝗢. I know this for a fact. I told to Dave, he fucking nailed it. And he's a genius, but it's not only him. It's like people really are eager to advertise on 𝗕𝗘𝗢's show. And 𝗕𝗘𝗢 is small, it's tiny. And forget the token now. Forget the token and remember the project. I'm talking about the channel, the Twitter, the shows. Sponsors are fighting to come to the channel. We have a lot of sponsors breaking down the door. When it comes to sponsorships, for us, the most important is integrity evaluation. So we actually held back a lot of the sponsors because we didn't want a misfit with the sponsors, and we didn't want to push something down on the viewers' throats. We really want to make sure that it's a great fit. We've been working on it for the past 2 weeks. 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗙, and here the real vision becomes clear on this section. And now this is the part where you should really pay attention. And it says, 𝗕𝗘𝗢 will use the sponsorship fees to do token buybacks and burns. Read that again. We will use the sponsorship fees, substantial amount of the sponsorship fees, to do token buybacks on the market and burn the tokens forever. Now, talking about the network effect and Uber and how you can benefit as someone who owns 𝗕𝗘𝗢, is that more consistent people watch 𝗕𝗘𝗢, more content people watch on 𝗕𝗘𝗢, more sponsors we can bring to the show. So obviously more views translate to more sponsors. More sponsors, more money, and we can fund the team. We can get a bigger operation, bigger shows. We can put out 20 pieces of content a day. Now, if we put up 20 pieces of content a day on all media channels, there'll be more viewers. Now, more viewers bring in more sponsors. But more sponsors, at some point, there is no way to expand more. It's just gonna be capped. It's like, we have 50 animators now and 200 content a day. Like, there's no more need for content, right? So all that money, it starts growing, and all that money will go to buy back tokens on the market and reduce supply. I don't think you understand how big this is. So we can talk about millions of dollars every single month buying back tokens and burning them, therefore reducing the supply. So how you benefit? More sponsors bring, I talked about this, and here's what Ryan said. There will be a fully transparent public wallet address where the sponsors' fees flow in. So these guys pay in crypto that flows directly in a wallet that you can monitor. The community will watch an episode and at the same time see the token buybacks and burns. Soon enough, everyone will realize that Tucker viewers watch content that they love. They get passive value through the sponsors, massive value through the sponsors, and by simply watching, they increase the value of their Tucker bag. Ryan continues, once the realization comes, Tucker will become the first media station with network effect. You watch content that you love, get sponsors that bring you value, and increase your value of your investment by simply watching. It's like getting paid to watch content you love. And then it moves on, and it's and I write in the thread. The Tucker team, Ren basically says, the Tucker team is amazing and can make things happen. They are doing incredible content. With the help of 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢, the biggest media company in crypto, we can accelerate Tucker's growth, provide access to our infrastructure, and help them become a proper media company. So you have to understand, 𝗕𝗘𝗙 has like several channels. They have, I think we have 70 people on the team. We're talking about designers, thumbnail designers, researchers, script writers, YouTube SEO experts, producers. Like, so it's a huge team. And what we basically allow Tucker to do, or we partner, is that they can plug themselves into the whole infrastructure, right? They plug themselves in. They get all the alpha, all the knowledge of 𝗕𝗘𝗙, the biggest media company in crypto. And by getting that, they can become the biggest and first meme media channel, media network that has network effect. You can watch that channel. By the way, you should definitely subscribe to that YouTube channel. It's 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢. It's in the tweet. And valuation and future potential. And here is the interesting part. And again, very important. I started the video on the show here as well, and the thread is, I'm not here to sell you Tucker. Trust me, this thing is fucking going to the moon. I have a big bag. I don't need to sell you shit. It's not a sponsored content. I'm not trying to, trust me that this 1,000, 2,000 people not gonna move the chart. I'm not here to show you shit. I'm telling you, this is the 100x club, and this might be the biggest opportunity you have in crypto. Or it might go to zero. It's crypto. No one knows. But I'm telling you, don't fucking fade this. I have zero benefit of, telling you this. Except I hold the bag, which I'm not gonna sell for a long time. But Brand says, I have 2 projects in my mind, 𝗕𝗘𝗢, because 𝗕𝗘𝗢 is my home, and the second that's getting most of my attention is Tucker. In my mind, Tucker will be the first to break the news on the internet. The go-to place. So basically, something happens, you go to Tucker, right? I looked at other memes, but none of them are media channels. They're trying to do similar stuff. It's not Rand, but my opinion, fucking pathetic. In my opinion, a lot of these, I understand it's great, but I mean, why don't you? I don't know. It's just not good. Some of the content, if you want to do something, do quality. That's what I can say. It's not good, not good quality. I haven't seen one good quality meme show like Tucker. I always buying Tucker. A lot of people say Tucker is a meme thing that will be dead in 3 months. They don't know the plan. I know people thinking like we're going to 100, 200 million market cap, which is still, like 3, 4x from here. But I don't think like that. If we can get this right, I'm thinking, I don't think 1 or 2 billion. Rennie's talking about billions. I'm not thinking 1 or 2 billions. WIF is at 5 billion. I'm thinking Facebook type valuations. Now Facebook is $1.1 trillion in valuation, and probably, I don't know, but not likely that we're gonna reach there. However, the potential is there. The potential for us to go much higher than WIF is absolutely there. Tucker Party, I have to say that as well. If you follow the channel, you know this. But Tucker, I have all the links in here. Everybody's asking me how to buy Tucker. Like, do your homework first. But second, if you really need it, it's here. I included for all the lazy ones. I included in here the contract address and whatever. But what I said is that I actually host a Tucker Party when we reach 1 billion. What is interesting here is that I had a tweet about this. That here it is. So I said, I commit to hosting a mega party once 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗙 hits 1 billion FDV. The entire requirement will be to hold 10,000 Tucker tokens, current value at $260. And it's already, when I posted this, it's already at like 2-3x since I posted first time. And the value, it was already, I think it was already almost 10x up, because it's 2.6, 26 mil. Yeah, value at 1 billion FDV will be 26,000. You don't have to give these tokens, you just have to hold it. We'll do an NFT drop and you can enter the party. Make sure to follow me. Yes, I wrote that as well. And you should listen to the space and share this. Anyway, this is just my vision for Tucker. And I want to tell you one thing, which also comes to this. And it's nothing else that the ticker is Tucker. Okay, that's enough for Tucker. I just, I'm really here to help you make life-changing money, and I genuinely think this can be a great potential. It really can be something Okay, so here we go. Let me look at it. Good afternoon, Fefe. How are you today? Good, good, good. Fefe and gummies. Haha, looks like. Take a gummy and chill. I will do a maybe on Saturday. Maybe we do a Saturday show on gummy. We're here with you. Awesome. Mic drop. Yes, yes, yes. I bought after you said like a 2 million. Only put in like 30 bucks. Don't fade me. Don't ever fade me. Phantom wallet even. Got Phantom wallet and yes. Still do, but then I need banter job in the south of USD. I still do, but then what do you do? Let me know what you do. DM me on Twitter. We can talk. If it's good, if you're good, why not? Join late. Hope you are well. Fefe, cheers to sub 5 mil. Tucker, thanks. You're very welcome. Good vibes only. This is nice. No way you're buying my Tuckers away. Tucker Carlson has to have heard of this by now. He would absolutely love his ass off so much, but he literally doesn't pay attention to social media. Here's one thing. No, I can't say that. I can't say that. Gotta get in trouble. But yeah. Can the real Tucker take them to court? Yeah, that's the question, right? But I don't think so. I mean, I don't think, why would he? Like, it's fun. Why don't they change the name to plain Tucker while it's easy? We can. Check that MAVIA trade from yesterday. Looking juicy. We will. He's not that type of person. Agreed, Stacy. Stacy, do you know Tucker? Fefe, you are the ticker. Did you get in trouble for you Tucker will 20x tweet? It got deleted. A tough one. I can address it. The main problem is that the main problem was not with Tucker. The main problem was with Gummy. So yeah, the main problem was with Gummy. And I did delete my tweet. Yes, I did delete it because I didn't want to mislead people, and it might have been understood in a different way that it was, and I deleted it. Yes, but it was all, you know, I helped everybody with the tweet. I just think it might have been understood. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, I deleted it. Fefe, you got any good ideas for working crypto while I continue study trading so that I have income continuing to invest more? Well, I have a show on Stefan. I don't know if you're here, but the thumbs down guy is here. We get 1 thumbs down. Stefan, I need you to come and please protect us all. So I do have a video on Banter that I exactly talk about go full-time crypto. You can go and see that. I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, go check that out. But other than that, just try to. I think it's so easy to get a job in crypto now. But in general, I think it's worth going full time now. But make sure that you protect yourself. Used a 50% retracement yesterday and doubled my gummy account. My man, my man, my man. Nice. I am proud of you. I'm proud of you. Bought Tucker the same day you mentioned it. You got it, Tobias. You got it. Okay. 2 thumbs down. Stefan, where the fuck is Stefan? Stefan! We need Stefan to protect us. Come on. Right, so pop your... Now we have 3. Oh, people realize, you know, these are probably like dumb people. Like, oh, can I push thumbs down? I'm gonna do that now. Fuck you. That's probably what's happening. But it's all good. Do your thing, Stefan. All right, here we go. So guys, let me see your coins. Let me see your coins. Let me see your coins. Let me see what you want me to look at. I'm gonna go grab a water, and we can look at tokens as well. I'm gonna stay a little longer today. I'll take over for Stefan. Luca, go ahead. Go ahead, take over. Stefan is not here. He's out. Oh, someone just tested the button. The thumbs down is like, oh, 2 of them just. Oh my God, these are probably like local guys. It's probably like someone is just, oh, can I do thumbs down? And then they push the thumbs down and they're like, oh, maybe they see who I am, so I'm just gonna thumbs down. Anyway, someone's saying mouse, I never know how to say his mouse. Dauscher. I say Dauscher, but I don't know. Miles and Tucker both advertised the jobs. Miles is a fucking beast, guys. He's absolutely, I met him in Dubai as well. It's fucking incredible. No, I'm not doing a giveaway. I'm gonna go grab some water, guys. No, I'm not. You know what? I need to see the tokens flowing in. So I'm gonna give you a second. I'm gonna give you a second to get you to get a water. I'm gonna give you a second. Do that, and I'll be back in a second. It's a good day. It's a good day. We will see the reversal now. So, shadow trades. Thumbs down. You can leave. I'd rather stream for 200 people who love this than for 5,000 people who hate. So if you don't like this, please just leave. Really. Okay. Yeah, damn, I got you. No worries. CFX, let's go. Whew. This MAVIA trade is like, whew. Check the stream. Check what? The donation. My man is saying we got a donation. I don't know what that is. What is a donation? We got a $10 donation. So he's saying everyone smash the like button for the next 5 minutes until he comes back. Oh, John, is it like actual money? Don't pay money to this channel. I mean, if you do, that's fucking awesome. We can do a giveaway. I mean, if you guys just push these stuff that would fund the giveaways, we can do more giveaways, and that would be awesome. Thank you so much, John. Shout out to you, man. How do I? I don't know. I wanted to do something cool for you, but I don't know how. Anyway, thank you so much. I appreciate it, man. I give you a thumbs up. Cool. That's pretty fucking nice. All right. CFX. Yeah, so this MAVIA trade kind of goes against us. Did I say yesterday that we should get into this? Let me look at the link. This is a longer show, guys. So if you don't like it, or you're getting bored, I'm sorry. Here is the MAVIA clip. Okay, let me look at it. Obviously, I'm not in it. This was my planned entry, but I didn't think it was gonna run that fast, to be very honest with you. Trend line I don't like, but when it comes back 50, I will potentially place long here. Again, what I want to look for is I want to look for a 5-minute market structure shift. So I want to look for something like this, and then when this happens, yeah. So we were looking at a market structure shift here. Look at this, that happened. Look at this, it happened here. Entry here, we missed it. Not a problem. Only thousands of dollars, missed fucking 10%. Fucking, this is, I quit. No, it's fine. Just go, be free. Anyway, is Bitcoin pumping? No. I think it will be, maybe we just start rocketing from here. I told you. Someone's saying CFX. Let's look at CFX. Who said my music was shit? It's not that bad. Yeah, building up liquidity. Problem is building up liquidity. We need to see a clear close above here. Clear close above 23. So we're saying RUNE. Ooh, look at this. Fucking beautiful chart. Beautiful chart. Yeah, technically you could long this. I think we're gonna see a little bit of down on Bitcoin. That's why I'm not gonna long now. But technically you could long. And if you're not at a position and spot, I mean, I don't know what you're doing. I think we need to have a little cool off. If not now, then definitely in the weekend. AR. I know Ren is extremely bullish on this token. I don't like the chart. So from TA perspective, I think, I would rather wait for a confirmation. But it's definitely good. I mean, it had a pump. It comes back 50. It has a massive pump now. I would wait for a little higher to see where to enter. If we would close above like these levels, definitely going to be a pullback, and that's a great entry. Again, I'm talking about trades. I do hold this spot, but it's about trades, right? Gummy the king. Let's look at Gummy. We can look at Gummy as well. It's a meme coin. I'm very impressed by Gummy holding above 100 mil. I mean, this is crazy. It's genuinely crazy. Massive liquidity built up. This can really go to like 24 cents. No problem, no problem. I think, but yeah, just be cautious. It's a meme. It's a meme. 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗢 is fucking. Did we pump 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗢 on this show? Is this really, or is that the tweet that I made? Anyway, I bought here, I bought here, I bought here, I bought all the way. I bought all the way. I'm out of dry powder, that's the problem. I literally pinged the team, I was like, I need a salary. I need a salary to buy more coins. If you don't have haters, you're not doing it right. Exactly. Filecoin. Yeah, so this is actually very good. I mean, I really do like this chart. Look at this. This is actually a very, very good chart. Very, very good chart. We have a clear market structure shift here. We have a clear market structure shift here. We do see liquidity built up for it to come back later. This is why it's actually very good. I like this chart. I will long this chart. Yes, I want to place an entry. I think I might place it limit. Yes, this is a very, very good chart. I would not be worried at entering a limit order here. At 5.5 on Blofin. You have to check your exchange, but 5.5, 50% down here. I would not be worried on the limit. I think, in fact, I think I will enter. I think I will enter limit. It's very good. Very, very, very good. Great find. Love your show though, and appreciate the 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗢 Alpha. See you soon. See you soon, brother. Atom. Ooh, look at this. Did it come back 50? Yeah, so this is good as well. Look at it. Left. I would definitely need to see a lower time frame confirmation. Where do we stand with the vote? I didn't see that, by the way. Most of you got at or under 1 million. Oh my God, you have no idea. This so much warms my heart, guys. Really, like it's just really like fucking, this is what I live for. Really, it's so good. 27%. 34% under 100 million. I mean, you should subscribe to the channel. But you're still early, so don't worry. Atom, waiting for 50. Great entry would be down here at 8.55, but I need to see a market structure shift. I need to see a market structure shift. 8.55, that would be good. Or 8.6, below 8.6. Liquidity needs to be rated. When that happens, I need to see a market structure shift. Would be nice to see it on the 15, but if we see it on the 5 minute, that's good. That's good. Oh, I see the super chat here. Okay, super chat. From John Aki. Everyone smashed it. Yeah, I see it now. Okay, great. Damn, you came back quick. You got it, Johnny. Nice one. INJ. Oh, look at this. This was our... I marked this level with you guys on live. I marked this on live. I think it's good. I think it's good. The problem is it didn't make a higher high on the 1 hour, but it left liquidity. I think we come a little bit lower. I think we come a little bit lower. Maybe take liquidity here. Potential down to like 22. I would be a buyer. Downhill 22.3-ish. That would be a great area to buy. I would wait for the raid. I would wait for Bitcoin to dump a little bit. Wait for the raid. If that happens, if Bitcoin breaks above 71,000, go heavy long. I mean, not financial advice, but you know, that's what I'll do. Shadow Trade says, yes, I think you said that for leaving, so that's fine. Athena. There's no Athena. GMX. I will look at 3 more. Oh, look, good. This is a good trade. This is a good trade. This is a great trade. This is actually a very good trade. I don't like GMX. Is this the stepping thing? Is this the stepping token? Oh no, it's not. Okay, good. Oh, okay, good. Great narrative as well. Yeah, good. This is fantastic. I will long this now. I will long this token now. NFA. Do your own research. But I will. GMX. I think we need to have a flush. So make sure you play responsibly. But this is not a bad trade at all. I think this is not a bad trade at all. I'll actually put my stop down here at 22.9. Again, on Blowfin, you have to check your exchange, 22.9. So the reason why I'm playing this is because we do have a market structure shift here. Then we have a market, before we have a market structure break. And then from there, we have a retest down to these regions and a nice push. This has to go to at least 26. And potentially, you know, it's looking good, great liquidity, 35. Target, sky's the limit. Sky's the limit. Looks very, very good. Be cautious. Monitor the 15-minute chart. I will update you on Twitter as well. This is what I'll be looking at. No, I don't have more alerts. Why on earth I don't have more alerts? Let me take Bitcoin alert. Oh no, but I need to see Bitcoin. I need to. Can I upgrade? I don't know. I don't know if I can upgrade. But oh, nice. I have like this plus. Okay, I'm gonna upgrade my my trading view. No worries. FLOKI, I love FLOKI. I like FLOKI. FLOKI is not on Blowfin, but I like them. I'll look at them. Great, same thing. Look at this. You're late, but look at this. Fantastic. 1 hour market structure shift retest. Perfect. Fantastic chart. Fantastic chart. You can long. You can long. Massive liquidity built up as well. This can really fucking fly. Huge stop loss. That's my problem, but yeah. I'll look at one more. Spot me $50 in transactions so I can go 100x long on BTC. I'll long for you. Solana. We can look at Solana actually. Yeah, it's a good idea. He has no trading style. He just bought off a suggestion. I don't know. That water is from Croatia. Is it? Yana. I like Yana. It's great water. I'll never leave you. I'm still here, bro. Cause you're my pal, you gotta spot me $50, right? Perpetual DEX, yes. I've already been in FLOKI for an hour. Nice, nice, nice. That's good. That's very good, very, very good. GRT, let's check Sol. I really want to check Sol as well. Haven't checked Sol for quite some time now. My buddy John said he was long at 120. Oh, my boy John is printing. My John boy. Look at this. It's also like he was very smart. Look at this. It's clear. I can't believe. When did this happen? At night, of course. I can't believe we missed these entries. I can't believe. I think we're still gonna have a little bit of push down, so don't worry. It's not all gone, and we can always get in on a continuation. So don't worry about it. Did it come back 50? No, it didn't. Good, good, good. This might not hold. This 129 might not hold. Yeah, I'm interested down here in Sol. Could be great, especially if it takes the high here. Takes the 4-hour market structure shift. That would be fucking insane. That would be like, if we take that and then it comes back 50 down to 127, generational long opportunity. All right, guys, that's it for today. Let me look at one more thing, which you haven't looked at the whole day. We started at 4,815, and we gained 16 followers. All 16 of you, welcome. Welcome to this to the fam. Welcome to the journey. Welcome to the best channel in the world. I salute all of you. I am going to have a Saturday live. I'm gonna do live trading, and I'm gonna give away $500. I am expecting a lot of people to come in. Actually, I advertise it, or I said it, I mentioned it on the Bantu show that I recorded. So we're gonna have a hopefully a little bit bigger stream. Although I love spending time with you guys, but it's gonna be like a big, hopefully a big stream. We're gonna do live trading. I might try to get Ren on. Oh, but he's in the States. No, he's probably not gonna get on. Anyway, I might try to do that, but he's probably not gonna get on. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for being here. Truly appreciate you. It is the time to leave your review in the comment section of the show. If you like this, if you hated this, if you love this, if you know, please let me know, because I really want to read it. And also I'm going to put it up on the end screen. So it's not only helping me and giving me feedback, but also I think it's just a great way to just illustrate how we like the whole experience. Guys, thank you so much for being here. I truly, genuinely appreciate you. I think it was a fun stream. I really like doing it. We are in a 1 hour and 10 minute. Come back tomorrow. We do a live tomorrow as well, and I'm gonna do a live Saturday. Watch my shows on the weekend on Banter, but we're gonna talk about that as well. Take everything level by level. Play level-headed. Don't go crazy long. Don't get hyped up of the market. I know it's bouncing. I know it's looking good until the close above 61,000. We're still in a bearish trend. Please play safe. Stay safe out there. Let me know in the comment section now what you thought of this show, and I believe I will see you in the next one.